Alright, so we're on the road. We're headed to San Luis Obispo to go to the Hoonigan this versus that race.
Sheesh.
Yeah, we're stuck in traffic right now, obviously. It says we'll be there at 8 p.m. But we on the way. We got the bike on the carrier in the back. And we should be ready.
How are you feeling?
I'm excited. Excited, a little nervous. Because we don't know who we're going up against until the day of. But I think once we get there and, you know, the nerves will settle down.
For sure.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
I fucking love California!
What does it smell like?
Like seaweed and seals.
No, you're supposed to say freedom!
But it doesn't smell like freedom. This is not what I envisioned freedom to smell like. It does not smell like fish and seaweed. Yeah, you know, full-time monitoring. It looks like he's got a Bronco, for sure. But I don't know what motor is in it. It looks like he got some porting work done. That's what I figured. I figured it would be something like a big off-road truck, or like, I thought it was gonna be like a monster truck or something. Cause think about it. Yeah. Cause think about it, right? It's a mini bike and you get like a giant ass truck. Then that's like a weird matchup. But it's cool, I guess. Shit looks like it's fast. Got nitrous on it. Ported heads. Maybe not. He also has a side-by-side too, so I don't know. Could be bringing that. That shit probably rips. Those Mavericks are fast. Can-Ams. It probably is a side-by. It's a Turbo R, bruh. That shit rips. I don't know. We'll see.
So what's wrong, man?
Nothing, man.
Come on, obviously something's wrong.
Look, I have my good days. I have my bad days, just like everybody else. It's so cringe.
What's the retail on that bike, man?
More than you can afford, pal. Fucking made it. You got fucking all the Hoonigan people right over here. Just chilling. Staying in the same hotel as them. Oh, cool.
No big deal. Yep.
It's nice. Way back here. Ready to see my crib? Look at these keys, though.
I feel like I'm at grandma's. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. Alright, guys.
We're signing off. We'll see you guys in the morning.
Good morning.
It's race day. Sheesh! There's the finish line. Some other finish lines over here. Probably the 1,000 foot, 500 foot, maybe. It's probably 500 foot. Yeah, we out here.
How are you feeling?
Ready.
Do you know what you're racing?
Yeah, that Bronco over there. Let's see if we can give him the gap today. This baby gap, the appetizer, Applebee's meal, 2 for 1 special. We're gonna see.
I hope he's hungry. I hope he's got a appetite.
We could do like, I just want to do the jump first.
Yeah, do your thing. Start it up, let it idle. If you want to, like, take a couple hot laps,
Yeah.
just to feel it out and get some temp in the drive line and stuff, you can do that. No problem. Yeah, you can heat up the tires and all that shit.
All right, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What can you get a used Grom for?
$2,000.
Like, you get a brand new $2,000.
Yeah. Sometimes this one I actually bought it with a blown up motor. It was only like $800.
Nice.
That's kind of what stemmed the swap.
How hard was the swap?
Surprisingly, since Hondas are like always the same with everything, that's why they're cheap. You'd be surprised that the 300 harness plugs into the Grom controls, it plugs into the Grom speedometer. I promise you, it's crazy. So that's why it's becoming a common swap now.
Oh, that's awesome.
So if you get a 300 harness with the motor, you can literally plug it in. It's an E-Race ECU. It's a yes. How fast you got in this? Over 100, like 113.
The wheel setting part
The fatty?
yeah. Just like a mesh design, man.
Look at
Are these fresh, these tires?
They're pretty fresh, yeah. They probably got like, I don't know, 20 miles on them.
I wish I could have done this thing filled wide. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. Why not? This is definitely a why not.
Oh no! That was a good race.
Yeah.